Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Nur Arif bin Abu Bakar. My metric number 271229. I'm here to present a video on working culture practice in Malaysia Public Service. Okay, working culture is an understanding, attitude and behavior implemented by employees while performing work in an organization or institution. The value of embracing a work culture while working can determine the quality of a job that a person or group of people do. If employees working an institution are able to adopt a high quality work culture, it can also improve the quality of public service from both the government and the local government. Several factors are also the catalyst for creative and attract and conducive working culture environment, such as motivation, employer welfare and so on. For example, motivation can enhance certification and increase productivity of motivational worker play a hard role in creating a healthy work environment. For example, giving bonus, additional leave and pay increase will both employer morale and create a healthy working culture. I take the example of working culture at UTC. The full name of UTC is Urban Transformation Center. Working hours at UTC are daily except for public holiday. The counter hours are from 8 am to 5 pm. Lunchtime for UTC is Friday from 12:50 pm until 2:45 pm. This is because to get Muslim men to perform Friday prayer. The working hours have just changed on 1 January 2020. If the working hours were from 8 am until 7 pm. But the government has reduced this time to 8 hours only. So, worker can go back home early and can spend time with family and indirectly can save on government spending. So, it shows the importance of having a good working table so that employers do not feel overhead and create healthy work culture. In conclusion, a healthy work culture is very important in facilitating the management of an organization. In addition, of healthy working culture can also prevent the occurrence of problematic worker. This is because if a healthy work culture can be created, it can keep the worker welfare and make the worker feel comfortable and less stressed. Therefore, work culture is very important for an organization to thrive. Lastly, I hope that all organizations are always concerned about the work culture, as it is important for both the organization and the workforce. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.